Hi everyone, we are back with another really beautiful property available in Gk-2 South Delhi. My name is Maz and I'm from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. So today we are showcasing a 550 square property in Gk-2. You can see the outer facade of this property is really beautiful and really differently made. I really like the architecture of this property. And you can see the roads are pretty wide over here. It's like not very cramped. You get very narrow roads in, there are a few very narrow roads over here in Gk-2, but this is something I really like about the property. You have two-way road going across and there's a third road going directly towards the M block market of Gk-2. So I actually really like the outer facade of this property. I would like to speak a little more about it. Because as you can see, it's really unique, it's something really edgy, the architecture is really beautiful that has been done on it. I really like this wooden work that has been done out here. So there's 4 separate gates for all the different floors that the builder has given. Today we'll be showcasing the basement and the ground triplex that is available for sale, and this is the separate parking over here. Plus you also get the separate full driveway in here for the basement ground triplex. This is the gate. As you can see, I showed it from the outside. This is the whole driveway that you get along with this triplex, so you can easily park say around 5 to 6 cars in here. A huge door over here, and this leads directly to your stilt area over here. Just as you enter, these are the staircases that are going to your upper ground floor, which is a 4-bedroom apartment, and these staircases lead you to the basement. So this is the stilt area that the builder has given. It's pretty airy, good amount of natural sunlight is coming in, not just here but on the upper ground floor as well. I'll show you. This is the powder room that has been given here. Let's check the upper ground floor first. So here's the private lift that takes you up to your upper ground floor and your basement as well. And this is the upper ground floor that comes with the triplex. I really like this wooden work that has been done. This is central air conditioning over here in the foyer area as well, and I really like this glass work that has been done over here above the staircase, and it's pretty lit up. I really like how much natural sunlight is also coming in. The lighting done over here is really nice. Over here is the living area and the dining area. Let's see this. Here's the guest room. I'll show it to you later. And the kitchen on this side. There's still some paint work going on here. There's a huge balcony as well. So it is a wraparound balcony, and over here is the guest room. It is connected to the balcony this side. This is the guest room that is connected, that I'll show it to you later from the inside. And pretty wide roads that I told you about down here, and so much of greenery as well all around. One thing I forgot to mention, this is a northeast facing property, so it's Vastu perfect as well, so you get natural sunlight in the morning. Here's the kitchen. You get an island top in between here, plenty of storages again everywhere, and a huge space for your 2-door refrigerator. Here you get your wash basin. The oven and the microwave are fit in here. There's a wash basin on the island top as well, which I rarely see sometimes. Here's your inbuilt stove and the chimney. All the electronics that you'll be getting here, they are all touch based. All the switches that you see in this house, they are mostly touch based. Here's the guest room. Beautiful ceiling work has been done. All ceiling work. There's plenty of light in here. VRV air conditioning is there. And this is the balcony that is connected to this guest room. It is the same wraparound balcony that I told you about. Here's the washroom. The attached washroom. You get your separate shower area, pretty big space. There's a window for ventilation. Plenty of storage space, vanity space that you get below your wash basin. And your walk-in wardrobe area over here with the automatic lightings. And this is actually a full-size mirror that the builder has given here on this wardrobe. Plenty of storage again. I can actually walk in there as well. It's pretty huge. Let's see the other bedrooms. I actually really like the the theme of the house. It's really warm, really cozy, and really good lightings have been used here, really good colors there. It's really elegant. So this is the powder room, a really unique wash basin there and tap. This is the staircase entry that you can use also. But I guess you'll hardly be using it because there's a separate entry altogether. This area is very well lit up as well. This is the second bedroom after the guest room. Good amount of space, wooden flooring has been done, nice ceiling work. There's a split air conditioner here and it's also attached to a balcony. Mosquito net also given. A huge window here. This is the balcony with an entrance to the master bedroom. No, not an entrance actually, it is the balcony of the master bedroom. This is the attached washroom here. Your separate shower area, wash basin, vanity space, your WC. These are the wardrobes. It has a really good leather finish up here. So there's two wardrobes here. These are the two other bedrooms. I actually feel these both are the master bedrooms of this property because they are pretty huge, same size and good amount of space in the washroom as well. Again, similar kind of a false ceiling work that was in the guest room. This is the balcony that I was talking about. It's actually locked right now. Again, your touch panels here for the lightings. This is another balcony for the back side and the washing area. Green wall work has also been done here, plant based. So as you enter this washroom, you get wardrobes here. These are pretty huge. I think this is a single one. So you get around 1, 2, 3, 4 wardrobes here. Your wash basin, vanity area. I really like the mirror and the wooden work that has been done here. So there's two wash basins here for like him and her on both sides. And there's a partition between the WC area and the shower area. Let's see the other bedroom. This is also pretty huge. The bedroom size of the bedroom, there's still some paint work left here on this wall. This is the same balcony that is attached to the other bedroom that I showed you. As the attached washroom. Your wardrobes are in here only. So 3 wardrobes you get in here. Your shower area, WC. Really nice wall work have been done here behind the mirror. This one. Let's go and see the basement after this. It's a long way down there. This is the basement. These are the staircases coming down here. Beautiful wall work done here. Over here is the water body that the builder has given. Kind of a fountain, you can say. Again, the similar ceiling wooden work has been done on this portion, and different portions as well behind you. This is also actually the ventilation area up there on the water body that is connected to the stilt area. This is also pretty lit up. Good amount of lighting in here. Plus, I also don't see any seepage, which you usually see in basements generally nowadays. So there's no seepage or anywhere around here. Good amount of hall area. There's too much space in here. Good amount of lighting. I really like this wall work done here with mirrors. Let me show you the washroom area and the pantry area as well. So over here is the pantry area. Just opposite to it is the washroom. Just behind you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like this property as well and you are looking forward to more such videos and such properties. If you are looking for something in this range or this kind of property you're looking at, even not just the basement ground, we have options of middle floors as well, third floor terrace as well. So you can contact us. There's our number given in the description. You can contact us. We'll be happy to help you and assist you. Thank you.